Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to print notes on PowerPoint step by step. I'll show you this on Windows. First, you'll need to open the Print menu. Click on File in the top left ribbon menu, then select Print. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P if that's easier. Once the print panel opens, you'll see your print settings on the left side and a preview pane on the right. Now we need to change the print layout. Under the Settings section, look for the second drop-down box. By default, it says Full page slides. That's not what we want. Click the drop-down arrow. A menu will appear with different print layout options. Under Print Layout, select Notes Pages. As soon as you do that, the preview pane on the right will update and you'll see one slide per page with your speaker notes below it. Check the preview pane. You should see a slide thumbnail at the top of the page and your notes beneath it. If you still just see a full slide with no notes, go back and reselect Notes Pages from the dropdown. Now you can configure your printer settings if you need to. At the top of the Settings section, there's a dropdown where you can select which printer you want to use. You can also adjust things like color mode and orientation. For notes with a lot of text, portrait orientation usually works best. Once you're happy with how everything looks in the preview, click the Print button at the top of the print panel. Your document will be sent to the printer, and each printed page will have one slide with your notes below it. A couple of useful things to know: if you want to save your notes as a PDF instead of printing them on paper, just choose Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer before you hit print. You'll get a save dialog where you can name the file and choose where to save it. Also, remember that this prints one slide per page. If you have a lot of slides, that can add up to quite a few pages. And if your notes are really long, check the preview to confirm they're not getting cut off at the bottom. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.